Hello and welcome to Chapter 8, Lesson 9. Today we're going to be talking about mixed numbers. Now, mixed numbers are just numbers that have a whole number and a fraction part. It represents an amount greater than one whole. So for example, if I'm looking at these sandwiches here, I have one whole sandwich. Let me see, my pencil doesn't look like it's working. I have one whole sandwich. And then I have a half of a sandwich. So if I'm going to represent those sandwiches, I would have one whole plus a half, or 1.5 sandwiches. Okay, so like this line here is more than 2 inches. It's 2 inches. This would be 2 inches plus 1/4 of an inch. So if I was going to represent that, I would show 1 plus 1 plus 1/4 is going to equal 2, right? 2 and 1/4. So I have 1 inch here, 1 inch here, and 1/4 inch right there. Okay, so these are going to be numbers greater than 1, and they're going to represent the numbers that are between the whole numbers still. Okay, so let's dig in a little more. For example 1 here, it says Caden had 3 apples. He cut off half of an apple to eat. What mixed number represents the amount of apples left? So if I count the wholes, I have 1, 2 whole apples shown by these circles here. And then I have half of an apple left. So he has, if we did 1 plus 1 plus a half is 2.5, he has 2.5 apples, right? This is not too tricky of a concept. But for some reason, when we start like working with mixed numbers, kids just think like, whoa. This is way too tricky for me. I could never understand this, which is not true, right? We've been doing this since we were little. If I showed you 2.5 apples, you'd say, yeah, there's 2.5 apples there. No problem. Okay, so let's look at the next example here. You can decompose or break apart a mixed number into a sum, so that means adding, of whole numbers and unit fractions. Recall that a unit fraction is a fraction with a numerator of 1. Okay, so whenever we have a fraction where the numerator is 1, that's called a unit fraction. So if I was going to write the length of this leaf as a mixed number, it says write an equation to show the mixed number. So what do we do when we do there? Okay, let's take a look. So what I'm noticing here is I have 1, 2, 3 whole inches. Okay. So then I have to figure out, okay, how much do I have after? So this is 1/4. This is 1/4, or this would be our half mark. And this is worth 1/4, right? I've got 3 1/4. So really, we know that our leaf is 3 3/4, right? Because I've got 3/4 here. Inches long. So if I was going to write the equation, I would write it as 1 plus 1 plus 1 to make 3, right? 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 to make 3/4. So 3 3/4 is how long the leaf is. Let's see down here. I fill in my 1 and my 1/4. Good to go. Guided practice here says write a mixed number for the shaded model. So I've got 1, 2 whole shapes, and then this shape down here is out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of 6, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 5/6 of the shapes are shaded. Write a mixed number for each model, okay? 1, 2 wholes, and looks like 6 again. Yep, our denominator should be 6 because there are 6 total pieces in each whole. And then I colored in 4. Now, hopefully your brain's telling you, hey, 4/6 is not in simplest form. I need to divide by 2 to get 2/3. Okay, so I should write my mixed number as 2 2/3. All right, our next guy here, I see we're going down 1, 2, And then 2, the space between 2 and 3 was chopped in half. So I have 2 and a half. 2 and a half. How do I know it's a half? Because look at, I've got 2 equal pieces here. And this means we've jumped to the first equal piece. Okay, 2 and 1/2 would be our mixed number. Here it says write a mixed number for each model. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And 2 pieces are colored in out of 4. 2/4. But we know that 2/4, if I divide by 2, it's the same as 1/2. So our mixed number should be 3 1/2. I wanted to look at this here. Write an equation that represents each mixed number as a sum, adding, of whole numbers and unit fractions. So I wanted to go over this just in case you get confused when you go to your your independent practice. So I have 1 whole plus. Now I've got to break 5/6 into unit fractions. So I had to do 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1/6. And that would make 5/6. Okay. That's all I want to do from here. Sorry, this is page 542, back page of your homework. Please let me know if you have any questions on mixed numbers. It's just a very basic introduction to what are mixed numbers. So please, if you have any questions, let me know. We'll talk to you later. Bye.